To create chart exercise 4, you can see this is the data that you need to select. Basically the various types, the odd years, and the total. With these ranges selected, I'm going to press the function key F11. And this is what I get. Now the first thing I notice is what's on the horizontal axis at the bottom and in the legend are around the wrong way. At the bottom axis should be pulp, paper, logs, and saw, and these years should be in the legend. So what we need to do is we need to go up to the ribbon here and we need to hit the button switch row column. When we switch row column, the legend and the horizontal axis trade places. So having switched the row column, I now want to change the total to a line. So I'm going to right click my chart and I'm going to change chart type. I'm going to go to combo, which is where you go to mix your chart types. The year 2009 is a column, so is 2011 and so is 2013. I want to keep the year 2015 as a column, so I'm going to click on column, clustered column to be exact. And I'm going to go further down and I can see total has gone to a line, and I can see the line in the preview. But what we need to do is make total a secondary axis, and that's this tick box here. By putting total against the secondary axis, it'll be plotted against the right hand side, and all the other series will be plotted against the left hand side. So I'm going to tick this option here. I'll then click OK, and I've got total now plotting against the right hand side and the years plotting against the left hand side. So I need to label my chart accordingly. First of all, I'll click on the chart title and I'll put volumes versus total, because that's my chart title. Now I need axis title, so I'll go to my chart elements, which is the green plus, and I'll tick axis titles. I'll click on the title at the bottom and I'll delete that option. I'll click on the left and I'll type years 2009, 2011 and 2011, 2013 and 2015. And that's the title for that side, because it's these 4 bars, the years, that are plotting against this side. But when I click on the right hand side, I'm just going to type total, because the total line has been plotted against the right hand side. And really, that's that chart exercise completed.